loves, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time here, I am Oma Click. You are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming back to watch again. Today's video, I want to share starter kits for every content create some basic equipment you need as an upcoming YouTuber. You don't really need to break a bank to start up this YouTube channel or to become an influencer in various social media platforms. So if you're really interested, sit back, relax, and stay through this video. So like I said, you don't really need to break a bank to start up this YouTube channel or to become an influencer on various social media platforms. Just with the help of some certain things I'm going to mention in this video, you are good to go. So the very first thing on my list is a recording device. Of course, you wouldn't be able to record or film yourself without a recording device. You need a recording gadget like camera, or if you don't have access to camera, you can make use of your Android phone or your iOS phone. Okay, so you don't really need to break a bank to start up this channel. So the next one on my list is you need a form of stability. A form of good stabilizer can help to keep your video quality. Example of this stabilizer is a tripod stand. Okay, this tripod stand can make your video stable and make it more enticing for your viewers and not shaking. So if you don't have access to this tripod stand, there are many options you have for you to do this. You can choose to pile up a book on tabletops that are above your recording level, or you can choose to mask your phone on the wall using a masking tape. That can be a very nice option for you. This can literally serve as a form of stabilizers to your video. So when you don't have access to a tripod stand or a mini stand, you don't really need to break a bank, as far as your masking tape and your tabletops can serve as this purpose. Okay, the next one on my list is you need a lighting kit. There are many forms of lighting. We have the natural source of light and the artificial source of lighting. So the natural source of light is when you get to film during the hours of 8 a.m. to down to 4 p.m. That's when you can use the natural source of light that comes through your windows or through your doors. Examples of artificial source of light: this can be your filming box or your ring lights. So if you don't really have access to ring lights or filming box, the option is for you to make use of bulbs. There are many sizes of bulbs. There are these energy bulbs, and I'm going to show you in this video how I literally film my video without a filming box, even though I already have a ring light, but it's not giving me what I actually need on my video qualities. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I fix these bulbs around me, all four corners around me, and in this video. So the next one on my list, you need a drop bar. These drop bars can serve as a form of background or a material. This can either be a white color materials, black, purple, any kind of drawbacks you need. If you don't have access or you are not financially stable, you can make use of your curtains, okay, or you can make use of the paintings on the wall. This can actually serve as a form of drawbacks. Okay, you can equally use an artificial flower just like the one behind me. You can equally use a frame. This can actually serve as a drawbacks for you. Okay, so the next one on my list, you need an audio source. You need an external source to make your video quality more audible for your audience or for your viewers. Okay, if you're not financially stable to purchase gadgets like your wired mic or your wireless mic, there's no need of you to panic. You can make use of your earpiece, just like this one over here. So example of wired mic is this one that I'm filming with right now. An example of a wireless mic is this one over here. So this my mic, it has the transmitter and the receiver's end. So this is actually the transmitter, while this is the receiver's end. Okay, so if you don't have access to all these gadgets, you can equally make use of your earpod or your earpiece. Okay, this can serve as an audio source and make your video more enticing for your viewers. So another one on my list, you need an editing software. This editing software can include your Canva, your open camera, which I have earlier on mentioned how you can use this on your videos. This open camera can help you to connect your external mics if you're using your Android phone to film your videos. Okay, so another software you need, or an editing software, is SoundCloud or audio library, or you can use Epidemics. Okay, this is where you can source for your music. You know that as an upcoming YouTuber, and if you're looking forward to monetize your channel, you don't really need to get a strike as an upcoming YouTuber, or you are looking forward to monetize your channel. So you need to adhere to YouTube rules and guidelines by making sure you source for music from SoundCloud, Epidemics, audio libraries, and the rest of them. You can also source for your music directly from your YouTube when you log in using your browser. Okay, you can as well get your music from there. So another editing software you need as an upcoming YouTuber is you can make use of your CapCut. These apps can literally help you to edit bloopers, and bloopers are those videos you recorded by accident or by mistake. Don't worry, I'm going to show you or give you a little clip of an example of a blooper at the end of this video. Like I said at the initial stage or at the beginning of this video, you don't really need to break a bank to start up this YouTube channel. Just with the help of little things that I have mentioned, you are really good to go. Okay, so if you really find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you, and see you all on my next video. Bye. On today's video, I want to share starter kits for today's video. I want to share starter kits for every content creator of all. I don't need this part. Delete them. You can equally use an artificial flowers, just like this one behind my video. Just like the next editing app or software you need for your video is the next